Bottom, well, we still have check engine light on. We don't know what's going on with it. It's not taking gas right. There you got it. A Harley. Top quality motorcycle. $30,000 bike. And it's not running right now.
It might be something simple.
It might be, but it's still an issue that we gotta go address on our trip.
Right.
Which nobody wants to have to do that. Anyways, sorry for the rant. This is a beautiful area. I mean, this creek winds all the way down through here. Kind of far away now. I should have started the camera earlier so you could see it. This is the west side of the park. What's going on here? There's something.
Oh yeah, see it way back there?
Yeah, it's a moose. Did you get a picture of it?
Yeah. That other one looked like that too. Oh, they're crossing, they're crossing.
Get ready to take
that
a
car
picture.
better stop.
Look.
Man, look how big he was.
That thing can move, man.
Yeah, where's the other dude?
Wow.
There was two of them. The other one hasn't crossed yet. I don't even know
There
where
it
he
is,
went.
right there, down there. He ran back, circled back around.
Yep, that's the girl. He went up that hill so quick I didn't even see him.
You kidding?
He's like, wait a minute, you left without me. That's a button buck. He's got antlers. Oh, he's running again. But he's running toward the back now.
Man, that thing was moving quick.
My goodness, that was awesome.
See that thing really stretch out when it
Yeah.
crossed that road.
That was cool.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad that people have seen it and stopped.
Right.
They weren't paying attention. That could have been bad.
Oh, yeah. Alright. We're going past Grand Lake. Going to Granby. Granby, I think it is. Get some lunch. Yeah, see, somewhere there's a trail. I don't know if it's back that way, I think. You can walk and supposedly see moose and stuff. No, we seen
I don't know about walking.
two. You don't know about walking?
Two scenes.
Why?
Well, won't they be mad? Be
Nah.
like, what are
I mean,
you doing?
You
Get
ain't
out of
gonna
my
get
way.
real close. That's beautiful. Look at that. You see the mountains with the snow in the background?
We've seen 3 herds of elk, 2 moose by themselves. Okay, so you're going to tell them what Spencer said?
Oh, well, okay. See, I forgot. We looked it up online. It threw a PO1, what is it? PO3?
5'9"?
159 or something? Yeah. P0159. It's rear oxygen sensor code. So I don't know if it is bad and needs changed, or if it just takes some time for this to recalibrate itself. We're still up in elevation. We seen where one guy, every time he went above 7,000, his light came on throwing that code. It was on a 2018 M8, and we were way up there, and we're still at 8,000 something feet.
82 something.
So,
Oh, look at that.
when we get back down to lower elevation, hopefully it corrects itself. I'm hoping the sensor's not bad, but maybe it is. Maybe we need to, if it's still on later, then we'll have to call a Harley dealer. Probably take it in, I don't know, if tonight or first thing in the morning or something. Because we're supposed to leave Friday to go back home. Unless we got to stay one more day. We may have to. So, hopefully we can get it sorted out. I mean, the bike's still running. At least we're not stranded.
Thank God for that.